Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Aquino
and Abunda
tonight. Welcome back, Crazy. Kamusta naman yung trip mo with Coco?
Ayun, pumunta kami sa Palawan with Baby Josh and Bimby.
Really? Anyway, Crazy, let's talk about our proposed merger.
Mamaya, di ba may guest tayo?
Yes, Crazy, tama ka dyan. Papatawagin natin yung mga advisor natin na kilalang-kilala sa industry nito.
Tama-tama yan. Para sa plan natin pag-merge ng company natin.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Yeah. At tawagin na natin sila.
So let's welcome our guest, si Miss Clarice Morlano and si Miss Marilyn Salentes. Welcome!
Welcome!
Hello, Crazy! Good evening, Miss Chris.
Good evening.
Good evening, Tito Boy. So, pinatawag namin kayo dahil gusto namin i-merge ang aming companies. Kailangan namin ng inyong advice.
Tama ka dyan, Crazy.
Pero bago lahat, Miss Chris, may papakilala muna kami sa inyo. Gusto po namin tawagin yung kasama namin potential top-notcher from San Beda College, si Miss Rose Ann Cabanes.
Good evening po.
Welcome, Miss Morales. Actually, nag-prepare kami. At ito yun. Andito ang aming projected cash flows.
Ilan ba shares nyo?
12,000 shares.
Sure ka ba dyan, Crazy? I think it's
Sure na, sure.
11,999 shares.
That's the same. Ano ka ba?
I'm sorry, Crazy. But anyway, how can you help us?
So, Miss Chris, kung i-offer mo si Tito Boy at ang rate of interest ngayon is 12% and you're having 12,000 shares, so, pinakita mo na rin sa amin pala yung mga future cash flows nyo. So, for year 1, sabi mo meron ka ng 200,000. For year 2, magkakaroon ng 220,000. And for year 3, 250,000.
Since Chrissy's management is conservative, he feels that acquisition should be justified by cash flows no more than 3 years. So, kailangan natin hanapin yung maximum amount that Chrissy Corporation should pay Boy Corporation. So, here is Ms. Cabanes to show us the solution on how to get the maximum that Chrissy should pay for the share of Boy Corporation.
Since binigay niyo po kanina yung projected cash flow nyo sa year 1, 2, and 3, and the present value factors, just multiply each cash flow, then add the present value of the 3 years to get the maximum amount you should pay Tito Boy.